Elevate your experiences with Ripple Maker. Transform your beverages and desserts into edible masterpieces with the Ripple Maker 2 by Ripples. Our innovative technology allows you to print custom designs and selfies directly on your favorite drinks and treats, creating unforgettable moments for you and your guests. What sets Ripple Maker 2 apart? It's not just about stunning visuals, it's about safety too. Our unique printing solution uses natural ingredients, ensuring that every design is free from artificial colors and additives. You can indulge guilt-free while impressing your customers or adding a personal touch to your gatherings. Whether you're a cafe owner looking to enhance your menu or a host wanting to wow your friends, the Ripple Maker 2 opens a world of creative possibilities. Invite laughter and conversation, one sip or bite at a time. Discover the future of personalization with Ripples, where creativity meets quality. Order your Ripple Maker 2 today and let your beverages and desserts tell a story. Order now and unveil your smoothest self. Subscribe, share, follow and like for more interesting videos.